Welcome to a completely new and exciting section. Introduction to Streamlit. Streamlit is a modern, open-source Python framework that allows data scientists and machine learning engineers to create beautiful, interactive web applications for their data projects with minimal effort and without needing any web development experience. 1. What is Streamlit? Streamlit is specifically designed to turn data scripts into shareable web apps. Instead of writing separate code for the backend logic and the front-end user interface, Streamlit lets you write everything in pure Python. It handles the complex plumbing of web development for you, allowing you to focus purely on your data and models. 2. Why use Streamlit? Streamlit solves the problem of sharing dynamic data results. Historically, if a data scientist wanted to let a colleague interact with a model or filter a large dataset, they had to build a full web application using complex frameworks like Flask or Django, requiring knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Streamlit replaces all of that with simple Python function calls. 3. The execution model data flow. A key concept in Streamlit is its unique data flow. Whenever a user interacts with a widget, like a slider or a button, Streamlit automatically reruns the entire Python script from top to bottom. This reactive, single-page execution model is what makes it so simple. It is Python first. The code you write is the app you get. To summarize, Streamlit is designed for speed and simplicity. Our next lecture 41.02, Project Setup. See you there.